Here we are for Thermomix Thursday, and today I am making the mint lemonade. Now this is a brand new recipe out of our Thermomix magazine, which has just hit the shelves. It's actually the top selling magazine at the moment, which is super awesome. My name is Nixon from Wick, Wellbeing, and I'm all about empowering healthy living. And this is a super cool magazine. So I want you to hang on, stay on online and hear how you can grab yourself a copy of this. So let me show you what we're making. A mint lemonade. How beautiful. This is non-alcoholic. But did you know that you can make incredible cocktails also in the Thermomix? We have made the pina coladas and they are phenomenal. Like you put whole fresh pineapple and ice and like just, I'm trying to think what the Malibu. Gosh, it's incredible. Also in this magazine, a double page spread on different cocktails that you can make. So it's got incredible recipes in it. Vegan bar sliders. It's got this incredible torte, which is like, so I'm going to tell you how you can get your hands on a copy of this, but let's start cooking. So just to let you know, if you have got your eyes on eyeing up a black Thermomix, they are in final stock. So once the stock is gone, then there will be no more. It's a limited edition. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And so just reach out, send me a message or comment below if you want to know more details. Okay, so on Cookadoo, I've just found mint lemonade. And I'm just doing a half batch. Now, this is what I love about the Thermomix. I'm using coconut sugar because I know that coconut sugar is a healthier form of sugar. Still the same calorie content, but it's got minerals and vitamins in it, and it's got a lower GI, so it's going to stabilize your blood sugars. You can swap out your ingredients. You know, the recipe says white sugar, but I'm using coconut sugar. Ice cubes, look, chunks, big chunks. I want to show you how you can... You know, the power of the machine. So mint and lemons. Add on our lid. And 30 seconds at speed 10. So just 30 seconds. Now I'm gradually increasing the speed. Up to speed 10 so that it's blending it really finely. And that is complete. Let me show you what this looks like. See? Oh, so that's the ice and the I can't really show you, but the lemons, the ice, and the mint. So what I'm going to do is that's looking. It says to add some water. I'm only going to add a little bit of water because that's quite a good texture. And so I now need to do that for 20 seconds and increase the speed from 6 to 10 as I just did. Okay, so that's just locking up. So tell me in the comments box below. And if I want to stop it halfway through, I can do that. Tell me in the comments box below if you've got a Thermomix. What cocktails are you loving? Ours is definitely the pina colada. Now, and look at this. So this is 3 serves. Oh. Absolutely so fine. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, and that is delicious. You could easily add gin, vodka, or anything to this. Now, how do you get your hands on a copy of this? Just comment below and tell me what your favourite Thermomix recipe is, and who you would tag someone in who you'd like to share it with. So I've got 2 copies of this available, so make sure you just tell me what your favourite recipe is and who you'd like to share the magazine with. It's got amazing recipes in it. Thanks so much for joining me. I have got a workshop for those of you in Auckland. I've got a workshop coming up at the end of the month in Mount Wellington on the 26th of November at 2 p.m. And it's Festive 6 with a healthy twist. So Festive Fix made easy. We're doing 8 different festive ideas for Christmas Day, for festive entertaining with a healthy twist, because I'm all about healthy. So I'll post the link in the comments box below and would love to see you there. But don't forget to enter to grab yourself a copy of the magazine. See you later.